Are you someone who works online? Let's say you are a content creator, or maybe you sell online on Facebook, or probably you scroll the internet daily just for the fun of it, and you have very important and sensitive information in your laptop or your mobile phone, which you don't want just about anybody to gain access to it. Then you need to learn how to properly protect yourself online. Not to state the obvious, but there are lots of scammers online, and one of the common ways these scammers get access to your device is through a link. Now, usually these links are disguised in such a way that they look so real and legit. Once you go ahead to click that link, you're going to give access to what is called a malware to your device. Now, this malware is a virus, and once this virus get attached to your device, these scammers are going to easily gain access to all the important information that you don't want people or anybody to gain access to. So they're going to gain access to your passwords, to your bank information, whatever sensitive information is on your device. They're going to gain access to it, and they're also going to lock you out. Here's an example of a Facebook message that was sent by the Facebook support team, and apparently this Facebook page has a copyright infringement. And what they want the owner to do is to verify the page by clicking that link. Once they click the link, it's going to direct them to a different page where they'll need to put in their login information. That is the email address that they use to create the page, and also the password that they use to create the page. Now, once the owner puts in this login information, they're going to give access to the virus on their device. And these scammers will now have access to their device, and they'll easily lock out the owner of their page. So then how can you easily verify if a link is malicious or if the link is a legit link? The first thing you're going to do once you're being sent a link like this is to carefully copy it. If you can copy it, carefully copy the link and then take it to this website or any of this website. I'm going to list some there. Take it to this website, paste the link in there, and this website is going to scan the link to see if this link is legit or if it's a suspicious link. It's going to detect the IP address of that link. That is where the link is from, and it's also going to show you exactly where the link will lead you to, right? So it's going to show you the website that the link is going to lead you to. So from there, you're going to know if this link is a malicious or a legit link before you go ahead to click. Now, all right, so I'm going to be showing you how to actually use this website to verify a link. We're going to be starting with this Virus Total website. Once you're here, go to the URL section, and on the search bar you can copy and paste in the link you want to verify here. Now I'm going to be showing you exactly how a legit link looks like. So we're going to be using the facebook.com to actually see how it looks on this website, on this page. All right, so it's going to scan it, and immediately you can see that it says no security vendors flagged this URL a malicious link. And when you scroll down, you can see all the vendors here. It ticked this as a clean link or a clean website. So this website is a legit website. All right, so let's try out this other link. This is a link that was sent to me by a friend, and I'm just going to type it in here. And when you click the search bar, you're going to see how it scans it. Right, you can see it says no security vendors flag this URL a malicious. We're going to go scroll down. You can see everything is ticked and is clean. So this is how a link or a website has to look like. All right, so let's go ahead to check out another link. This one is kind of suspicious, so let's go ahead to check it. I'm going to copy and paste it in here and click the search bar. So you can see it says 5 out of 90 security vendors flag this URL as malicious. And when you scroll down, you're going to see the vendors here. You can see it says phishing, malicious. So it basically means that this link is a suspicious link and we will not be clicking it. Now, what if you want to see exactly which website the link is going to lead you to before you actually click? Now, this website is perfect for that. So come here, urlscan.io, and then what you're going to do is to copy the link. I'm going to be grabbing this link that my friend sent to me to verify, and then paste it in here, and then click the arrow button, and it's going to scan it. And as you can see, this is what it shows me. It shows me the domain name, which is t.me, and then when you scroll down, you're going to see the IP address, and you're also going to see some screenshots from the website, and this is the domain name t.me. When you click on that and you scroll down, you're also going to check out, you're going to see the screenshots, some of the screenshots in the website. All right, and you can see that the screenshots are looking very, very suspicious. It has this nazi pictures, like I don't even know, but the pictures, of course the screenshot doesn't match what the link is telling us to do. All right, so obviously this link is a suspicious link, and if I go ahead to click the link, obviously I'm going to be given access to this virus to attack my laptop, and obviously the scammers will have access to my important information in my laptop or my mobile phone, that is my password or any important information that I don't want them to use in order to scam me. All right, let's go ahead to analyze a legit link. So I'm going to copy this link. Again, it was sent by my friend, and then paste it in here, and then the website is going to analyze it. It's going to show the IP address of the link. It's also going to show you screenshots of the content of that website. So basically what this tool does is it takes snapshots of the website and then analyzes the content of the website and shows you if there's potential threat or risk, and of course tells you if this link is suspicious or not, just like the first one that we saw. So what I like to do is I like using the two websites. This one is going to show me the content, take snapshot and show me the content, while the other one will tell me if this link is actually a suspicious link or not. Now, the second thing you need to check is the domain name of that link. Look at this message that was sent. The domain looks very suspicious and it's not from Facebook. So obviously it is rolled out. Now, the third thing you need to take note of is the spelling errors. Also check for spelling errors within the message or the email. Most times, there are going to be a lot of spelling errors within the email or the message that was sent to you. So you also have to check that out and also roll that as a suspicious link. The fourth thing you need to do is to never download any file, any attachment through an email. So most times these scammers are going to send you an attachment through your email, and once you go ahead to download this attachment, it usually comes as a PDF. So once you go ahead to download this attachment, you're going to give access to the virus on your device. Never download any attachment or file or PDF or any form of attachment through your email unless you know exactly who sent the file. So those are just some of the ways that you can easily protect yourself online from scammers. You can arm yourself and keep yourself safe from these scammers. All right, so I hope this video was helpful, and if you found any value in this video, please do not forget to like and also share the videos to those you know work online and also need to hear this information. All right, so see you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.